Here we are at the Turtleback Zoo. We're starting off with the Ice Age exhibit. We're going to move along pretty quickly, moving into dinosaurs. Outside, pretty tough to see. We have the sluice, gemstone mining, fossil dig, as well as our store. Moving on this side of the room, dinosaur footprints, some genuine prints as well, some of our large dinosaur footprint plates, along with our genuine Apatosaurus bones. And in the middle of the entire room, we have two sections of our prehistoric seas. Huge amount of trilobites, along with a 20-foot whale, 22-foot whale. Many, many genuine specimens. Dinosaur egg exhibit. Our huge Triceratops with some really cool dinosaur skulls, including T-Rex, Velociraptor, Tarbosaur, Allosaurus, Edmontosaurus, Camarasaurus, and check out the different dinosaur leg exhibits. And then we come around. Here's the other half of our prehistoric seas or oceans rock. Some spectacular genuine fossils on display, along with beautiful seashells. And this was our exhibit at the Turtleback Zoo this weekend.